In our previous video, we explored the synchronized light anomalies observed in stars across our galaxy, signals that could be a systematic scan by an advanced civilization. This scan was not merely observation. It was an analysis of every planet's potential, energy usage, and developmental trajectory, and the results were unsettling. The scan suddenly stopped. Its abrupt end suggests a choice was made. But what does this choice mean? Welcome to What If Lab. Today we take this scenario one step further. If a Type 3 civilization truly scanned the galaxy, humanity might be nothing more than a single data point. Whether we are aware or not, we are a tiny light among billions of stars. Yet this is not simple. From the perspective of such a civilization, humanity's development, our radio signals, satellite networks, even the lights of our cities, all are visible on a galactic scale. Consider their perception of time. We measure years. They may have existed for millions of them. Scanning a galaxy is routine for them, nearly divine for us. When a scan is complete, three possibilities arise. First, they simply collected data and take no further action. Second, our region is no longer of interest. Third, and this is the most unsettling, the next phase for us may have begun. Today we explore this third possibility. Science does not shy away from disturbing questions. The silence of the universe and galactic scale observation may conceal a secret humanity is not yet ready to understand. Scanning a galaxy is never done for a single reason. It's a comprehensive analysis of billions of stars and potential civilizations. For a Type 3 civilization, time is not limited as we perceive it. Millions of years may pass, like a single breath. Each scan is routine for them, yet immensely complex for us. Why conduct such a scan? Several possibilities exist. To classify potential threats, to observe energy usage across the galaxy and optimize resources, to identify which regions may harbor life and which civilizations might be dangerous, and perhaps to predict the evolutionary trajectories of future civilizations. Humanity is part of this scan, whether we realize it or not. Our radio signals, satellites, and city lights, all are detectable on a galactic scale. Imagine, every radio signal from Earth could serve as a warning across the galaxy. Nuclear tests, energy consumption, urban illumination, all become detectable anomalies. For a civilization observing us, our development appears irregular and potentially risky. A misstep, even if unintentional, could trigger a response. When the scan halts, it signals more than mere observation. It marks the beginning of an assessment. Critical decisions may be taking place now. Mere observation or preparation for the next step. Humanity is left to wonder. We do something similar on Earth. We analyze ecosystems, classify species, monitor potential threats. On a galactic scale, a Type 3 civilization could act similarly. What is truly unsettling is that we are unaware. The Fermi paradox remains unsolved. The universe is vast, time is long, possibilities infinite, yet the sky is silent. This silence may not indicate peace. Perhaps there is a conscious strategy. Galactic observers may view every signal and emission as a potential risk. Our radio signals, satellite trajectories, and light pollution are all visible. A civilization could evaluate our energy usage, technological progress, and signal density to assess potential threats. Humanity is not even Type 1 yet. Our energy consumption is chaotic and rapidly increasing, an anomaly on a galactic scale. Such observation acts as a mirror. It forces us to confront our fragility from a universal perspective. And the biggest question remains, is the universe silent naturally, or civilizations deliberately hiding? Or is this silence a warning in itself? Every radio signal, light pollution, and satellite from Earth becomes visible to a galactic observer. What may seem harmless to us could be a warning to another civilization. The silence of the galaxy may be deliberate. Civilizations watch each other, fearing the consequences of communication. At this point, theorists propose a chilling possibility: the dark forest hypothesis. Imagine the universe as a dark forest. Every civilization is a silent hunter. Every light, every signal could attract a threat. Silence is survival. Speaking is risk. From this perspective, it is understandable why civilizations hide. Each remains invisible, observes others, and prepares for action if necessary. But humanity did the opposite. We sent the Voyager Golden Record, our culture, biology, and coordinates, intentionally broadcasted. According to the dark forest hypothesis, this is almost like sending an invitation. Such exposure could be extremely dangerous. A civilization detecting our signals may not interpret them as harmless. Silence is security. Humanity consciously broke this protocol. From a galactic perspective, the scale of this risk is immense. Consider one of humanity's most visible gestures: the Voyager spacecraft and its golden record. The record contains our cultural, biological, and technological information. Earth's coordinates, DNA data, music, and messages, all deliberately sent into space. From a dark forest perspective, this is effectively an invitation. We are here. This is who we are. In a universe where silence equals safety, this is far from secure. For a galactic observer, these signals may signify not innocence, but potential risk. Imagine a civilization detecting an unknown species, declaring its presence. That civilization must evaluate intentions, and that evaluation could turn into a threat for us. If a galactic civilization already knows about us and remains passive, the risk is mitigated, but we must recognize the boldness of our action. Out of scientific curiosity, humanity exposed itself to the galaxy. Silence is safety. We chose to break it. This may be humanity's most daring and most dangerous move. So we must ask, is the universe truly silent? Or is this deliberate containment? If even a civilization scanning the galaxy ignores us, the real question lies elsewhere. Is the silence a universal strategy? Or has everyone already vanished? For a species like ours, these questions are both thrilling and unsettling. One answer could determine humanity's future and its place in the galaxy. The strangest part, the universe remains silent. Every radio signal, every light flash, every orbiting satellite, still no answer. Yet silence may be a conscious decision. Perhaps the civilization scanning the galaxy does not care about us, or perhaps we are still being observed without realizing it. Thus, the true question must be asked elsewhere. Is the universe really this silent? Or has everyone already disappeared? In our next video, we explore this dark possibility: the silence of the universe. What if everyone is already gone? Prepare yourself. This time the answers may be far more unsettling than humanity can imagine. See you there.